Guys, my name is Pranav and today I'm going to show you how to make the origami jumping frog. It's going to be great and let's start. The things you need for the origami jumping frog is you want a piece of origami paper or any paper. In that case, I said that in the origami flapping bird video, and scissors also in the origami flapping bird video. Let's start. So what you want to do first is you want to fold this into a triangle, and it is gonna be like if you make the normal paper aeroplane. So let's do that. Fold it like a paper aeroplane. Fold it nice, align it nice, and then crease. What you want to do next is you want to turn it over and fold it like this, and then you will have this. You want to align this. So when you turn this like this, you will see a triangle with an ear. It's like a face with an ear. So anyways, let's keep on going. So what you want to do is you want to kind of do a little bit. What you want to do is, if you know how to tear the piece of paper with using your bare hands, then you can go for it. But I'm going to teach you how to do it. So to do that is you want to put your finger right next to the line, and then you want to tear this a little and tear this again. Now I'm going to skip a little bit, but if you can do it by yourself, please do it. So what you want to do next is you want to take this side and turn it into a rectangle. This is a rectangle piece of paper. What you want to do now is you want to make this into a square, and to do that is fold this like there. You have it. What you want to do next is you want to unfold, and you want to do a triangle fold and then crease. Then you want to unfold that and do the same. So repeat it. So and repeat that 2 times again. I mean 2 more times. So do that. Unfold, do that again. What you want to do now is you want to take this like this, and you want to take this triangle and this triangle down to the middle like this, and it'll look something like this. It needs to look something like this. Now what you want to do is you want to fold this down, which is the inner part right here, and fold this down and fold the other one down, and this will automatically come down a little bit. What you want to do with that is fully flatten it. Then you'll have something called the water bomb base, and it also look like a house. So now you want to do the same with this, and we'll do that in 3, 2, 1. Repeat time. So do this, and then this, and okay, wait, I'll show you. So this to this, and almost there. Yes, yeah, there. Yeah. So it's kind of hard to do it, but you'll get a hang of it. So this, and there you have it. You are now going to make the legs of the flapping bird. So to do that, you want to fold this up into a triangle, and you want to fold this area to this area, and to do that, let's do right there. And that is one leg of the origami flapping bird, and let's do that again 4 more times. So, I mean 3 more times. Let's go. That's good. That's good again. And the last repeat. That is the 4th leg. It looks like a flower and it's actually the leg, but now you want to turn over and you want to decide which your front and back leg. For me, I'm going to design this as my back leg. What you want to do is you want to fold this up and it's going to look like a triangle, and try not to fold the legs up. So I'm just going to do that. So fold like that, and what you want to do next is you want to fold it like this. So fold that like this, it looks something like this, and fold this here also. So fold it like this, so it looks something like this. What you want to do next is unfold this and do this again, and then unfold that. Sorry. So what you want to do is you want to fold this like this, and you want to take a pocket that you have here. You have a pocket there actually. So you want to tuck this into that pocket, and it should be something like up. Try to make it flying in the air and do the same. So into the pocket it goes, and then try to make it a little bit up. It'll go front that way. So what you want to do next is you want to flatten everything, and you want to take the legs now and fold it up like that. What you want to do next is turn it over and make a bigger fold here and take the legs out from the table. What you want to do next is unfold everything, and there you have the origami frog, jumping frog, which is to make it jump. You want to push this triangle here. You have, see this triangle, and you want to just push it down, but not like this. You want to push it like this and it'll jump. Our froggy friends are going to jump. Rabbit, 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 sing rabbit, ribbit, 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 ribbit. I hope you all liked my origami jumping frog. Ribbit. It's a great model. It's good for beginners. And for now, bye. Hope you like the origami jumping frog. Please subscribe. Please like. Hit the notification bell. Now, for now, bye.